Greetings and hello. Welcome to Grok Trade. My name's Ez Woodruff, Mentor and Analyst, here at the internet's best place for free trading education. The market's just closed. It's Wednesday, March 9th, 2011, and I have Racquetball League this evening. Useless fact that will not make you any money. The market's in bearish territory, but ever so slightly. We dojied out for the most part, but the Nasdaq did drop a full 0.5% to the downside. Banks kept fairly strong, but the markets kept yanking it back down. VIX up 0.5%, gold up ever so slightly. We see a small drop in the US dollar, but the big thing here is that we have crude oil dropping 0.6%. And here we are looking at the S&P daily. And I was in a private chat in our chat room here just a few moments ago, and I want to shout out to Andy Kliss there from the UK across the pond. There's a number of you all that I consider my British friends. Thank you for being a part. Thank you for hanging out with us here. And it's always nice. I used to be very active in the website tradetowin.com back in the day, and I brought things over here to the US. Check this out. We're looking at the S&P daily. We have a lower high, higher low, but this is one of the few times we're going to go very micro, and we're going to blow this up and really take a look at things. Before I do that, you can see that we have this pennant, right? And if you go first macro, always start macro, we go up, 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 and then we build this pennant. Hard to see with all the lines, I get that. Then we hone in on this and really hone in. Stocks hate to be pinched. You can see the coiling that's taking place here, getting pinched, going into an apex. See these purple lines, a purple line here, purple line here. We're going into this apex, this pinching pattern. But here's what I'm seeing. We're below a trend line. That's that blue one coming up. We made a lower high, higher low. We have an inside trading day yet again, twice in a row. Yesterday, do you see this? This body is inside this body here. Lower high on the body, higher low on the body, inside trading day. Here the bodies are the same. You have a doji. That simply means indecision. And we're hovering right at 0 on the MACD down here. Do you see this? All the moving averages are starting to coil together here in the middle. Why is that? Because we are coiling on price action. So we are at this critical mass moment where I'm expecting a major move to take place one direction or the other. When I say major, I'm saying major compared to what we've been seeing. I'm looking for a move, and I think it'll happen tomorrow. I think there's going to be significant resistance at 1324 to 1325. Significant resistance there. If we go past that, you're going to have a lot of bulls come in and want to rally straight up. But I could see us getting 1331, a nice pop if we do break. Furthermore, if we drop, we have a little bit of support here at 1318. If we break down below that, we have major, nice, significant support here at 1306. But check this out. I'm going to draw another set of lines. See these highs? Watch this. These shadows. I have that, and look at these shadows coming up. Look at this. So not only do we have these big purple lines giving us a triangle, these two big ones, now we have these little tiny ones here. Do you see this? So we're getting pinched here. Nice pinch. I doubt if we don't move tomorrow, we're going to stay really tiny here. I could see that happening, but it's not as likely as getting a pop or a drop tomorrow. I think that we will violate or go past this purple line to the upside or this purple line to the downside, and I think it will be a decisive day tomorrow. We will either be very bullish or very bearish. I think the catalyst will come by what we're seeing over there in Greece. We're starting to deal with some debt issues again. Those things are starting to pop up on the radar screen. We have crude oil. If crude oil starts to make a climb, that will hurt us. So be watching the markets very closely. Chances are we're going to see that move take place pre-market, before the market's even open. Just to let everybody know, I do a video before the market's open. It's usually within an hour, a half hour or so before the market's open. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Again, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and get our pre-market video, and that will keep you in line to what to be expecting going into the trading day. So, if you know of another somebody that's doing videos, because the big compliment I got from Andy earlier was there's nobody doing videos, especially free, to this caliber, at least over there in the United Kingdom. And I'm not a self-centered individual or so arrogant to think that there's not other people that are better out there. But I do have a question. If they're out there, I want to know about them. Leave me a comment, send me an email. Let me know who these other people that are doing videos are. Let me know who you're watching. So that's it. It's all about trading education. It's all about going to another level. It's all about us learning how to trade and to increasing our probabilities in trading with a byproduct of profitability, where we're focusing on risk, we're focusing on money management, we're focusing first on capital preservation, and then allowing those trading rules that we incorporate into our trading, right? That trading plan that we have, the trading truths that we adhere to increase our probabilities in trading and let our tomorrow be brighter, because the byproduct of that well-educated trading strategies, the strategies that we put into play, that will increase those probabilities in such a way that we will be profitable traders, not just sometimes, but on a very consistent basis going into the future. All right. Take care, safe trading, and we'll see you in the morning.